Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best trailer lock that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Master Lock Universal Size Coupler Trailer Lock. Fun fact: Master Lock's founders Harry Soref, P.E. Yoles, and Sam Stahl are the inventors and patent holders for the now ubiquitous padlock. For the last 100 years, this company has led the innovation curve in security devices, and their universal coupler trailer lock makes the top of our list for that very reason. Designed to fit a wide variety of receiver hitches, Master Lock Universal Size Coupler Trailer Lock ensures that no one can attach their own hitch to your trailer. This universal lock features a bright red powder coat. This color ensures that you can easily find it in your vehicle and deter thieves from afar. If you are an active cyclist, make sure to also check out these reliable bike locks for maximum safety. Moving on, at number 4, we have the AMPLOCK Coupler RV Trailer Lock. AMPLOCK is another highly trusted brand in the security business, and their RV trailer coupler lock offers a unique take on your trailer's security. This black, powder-coated, U-shaped coupler attaches to your trailer's receiver hitch and pins the ball to the receiver with the turn of a key. This mechanism is impossible to reverse without a key, and the shield of steel surrounding the ball would be incredibly hard to cut or bend. To ensure that the locking system is safe in all weather environments, AMPLOCK finished the alloys to ensure rust won't accumulate. No matter how cold or wet it is outside, the push-to-lock system is so simple that you can do so with gloves on. At number 3, we have the Reese Towpower Tow-in-Store Trailer Lock Kit. Reese Towpower Tow-in-Store Lock Kit comes with everything you need to secure and store your trailer. Included in the kit is a brass coupler lock, which allows the coupler to be locked to the vehicle while in tow. Additionally, a dual bent pin receiver fits both 5/8 and 1/2 inch receivers for a wide variety of applications. The bright yellow finish of this lock will ensure that you can see it from afar, whether you're looking for it in the garage or a thief is eyeballing your trailer. At number 2, we have the Reese Towpower Heavy Duty Coupler Trailer Lock. This lock is the heavy-duty version of the Reese Towpower coupler lock. If you have a big trailer with costly equipment inside, or you want to be extra sure, this is the trailer lock for you. Built with heavy-duty steel, someone would have to be incredibly motivated and have a lot of time on their hands to get through this design. Gray in color, the Reese Towpower Heavy-Duty Coupler Trailer Lock is easy to spot from a distance, so you won't have to worry about people even approaching your trailer. A ratcheting locking system creates tension on the bridge over the ball head to ensure there's no extra play in this gadget. And finally, at number 1, we have the CURT Black Trailer Lock. Much like a hitch pin and clip, a hitch lock threads through the fastener hole on either side of the receiver tube. This design allows the lock to hold the hitch-mounted accessory in place. This CURT Black Trailer Hitch Lock will enable you to lock your ball mount trailer to your hitch, and you can keep it on even when you are on the go. This locking mechanism is safe, secure, and incredibly small, so it stores easily when not in use. Finished in a matte black, this 5/8 inch pin fits perfectly in a 2-inch receiver but won't work in double-walled receiver tubes. This key-activated device is sealed and waterproof to ensure you have years of security. Just don't lose the key. If you are a motorcyclist, don't forget to protect your favorite ride with one of these top motorcycle locks, as well. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.